What's up, Weather Channel dudes? And today we are doing the Weather Channel. So what we've got is severe chances of tornadoes in Kentucky. This is called the Kentucky Channel. But
we have rock falling down, and
Jackson,
it's about
stop.
to rain.
It's about to rain here in Kentucky, and also
Wildcat.
there is like 90% chance tornadoes. We're not making this up. What we do on this channel is we walk around outside and we feel the weather, and we make it up, which is pretty close to the normal weather.
This is called a weather
It's
monitor.
very cold.
It shows you
Jackson,
how cold it is.
It's very cold outside because it's the middle of the fall. But what about this?
60 degrees out
Jackson,
here.
stop interrupting. But one thing we know is that stuff is falling off from the sky. You can hear the winds if you turn up your volume. Listen to this. You might not hear it, but it's very high winds right now.
It is 60 degrees out here.
60 degrees. That's what we're guessing.
What?
But it's really doing it. So we're gonna end the video here. Good luck on where you live. See you guys. See you guys next time. Weather Channel dudes.